So having a dash cam these days in your car should be a standard feature. All cars should have a dash cam. And if you didn't see my previous video, this dude scratched my Tesla Model S and leaving a $1,000 repair. But luckily, I have a footage on my dash cam and I can show proof to him, and he have no excuse but to pay up the $1,000 repair. And thanks for the dash cam. And dash cam all comes with different size, shapes, and form. And if you want a dash cam that is not flashy and you want it to be discreet, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Protecstation. It's great to see you all. So today I'm very excited. I got a hold of this AZDOME dash cam. It's a mirror dash cam and it's a model PG02S. It's a rear view mirror dash cam. It's really discreet. Basically, you put this dash cam on top of your existing rear view mirror, and it blends in and it becomes a dash cam. And it's also touchscreen as well. So today I'm very excited to share to you all about this product, and I will break down this product in different categories so you have an expectation of what to expect coming in this video. So the first category for this dash cam will be the unboxing. And then I will do a simple installation demo so you get an idea, a general idea of how to install it. I will also have day and night video samples for this dash cam so you can see the actual video samples to see the quality of this video surveillance dash cam capabilities. So also stay tuned for the pros and cons conclusion for this dash cam so you know what are the pros and what are the cons for you to make a decision. And also, most importantly, will I be keeping this dash cam for my personal use? If you like the video and would like to support the channel, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. So I don't know how long this video will be. I'll try to make it not too long. But if you're interested of the product, just go through and watch the whole entire video. That way you will have a decision, what to expect for this product. This is how the box looks like before the unboxing. And here we go, the unboxing. Check out the product. Look, it's just a mirror, but it's a nice looking mirror, but the mirror is actually a dash cam when you flip it over, as you can see. And when you flip it again, it's a mirror. Really clever, discreet design. Check out all the ports and the micro SD slots right here. Check out the behind. Look at this camera, it's adjustable, so you can adjust the angle that you like for your recording. And there's a power button right here, and these are all accessory. Comes with 32 gig micro SD card, which is a nice touch. Installation instruction is really straightforward. Check out the diagram right here, and the camera itself is actually extendable, so if you have a wider rear view mirror, you can extend the camera so it fits more properly. Installing the dash cam is a breeze. Just strap on the straps behind your existing rear view mirror and you can see. And here's the cable right here. Installing the cable is very simple. Just tuck in all the edges, as you can see from my demonstration right here. Just tuck in all the wires to the edge of your car. Every car is a little bit different, but it's similar. Just follow the concept and go with the edges. Just tuck it all the way into the edge. Even though it's a mirror, it's actually touchscreen. As you can see right here, you can touch the mirror and it becomes the screen, and you can press record or go to the settings. Really secret design. And also, it's a really discreet design. As you can see right here, when you walk by the car, it doesn't really show a fancy dash cam. Everything's all blends into your car design, so it's not that flashy, which I really like the design. Here are some daytime samples of the video recording, and let's try grab a license plate from this truck right here. As you can see, you can clearly see the license plate's number, which is nice. And here is the rear dash cam daytime, and as you can see, I can also grab license plate number as well. And here are some nighttime samples, and again, let's try to grab a license plate number from this white CRV Honda and see if I am able to capture it. And as you can see, the number plate is really visible. And here's the rear for nighttime as well. And also you're able to get some nice readout of the license plate as well. And now it's time for the pros and cons conclusion for this AZDOME mirror dash cam model PG02S. And also stay tuned for the most important question: will I be keeping this dash cam for my personal use? So for the first pros of this product is the pricing. I mean, the starting price, the asking price for this product is very reasonable for the features that that comes with this dash cam. The design looks nice, and the quality of the item is built really quality. And then the second pros of this dash cam is the design. I mean, I really like the design of having a discrete dash cam, that blends into your rear view mirror, so it doesn't looks like you have another device hanging somewhere, another dash cam. It's really sleek, so it's also touchscreen. So the design, for sure, I really like this product. And another pros for this dash cam, it has 2-channel recording system, so it can record the front and it can record the back. And also another pros for this dash cam, you can record up to 2.5K of resolution for the video resolution. And then another pros for this dash cam is the video quality. The price that you're paying, the video quality is very great. And then another pros for this dash cam, it has parking monitor. So while you're parking, it can monitor, record any incident if there's any incident happen. And also it has a GPS recording, so you can log down the GPS location of the time and date of the incident. And it also has a G sensor, so if someone bang your car or something, it will automatic record, or if you hit a speed bump or whatever, it will automatic record and save the footage into a secure folder as well. And it also comes with micro SD, which is a very great touch. It comes with a 32 gig micro SD that is compatible with this dash cam, so you don't have to be worrying about, okay, which micro SD should I get for this dash cam, because it comes with it. Get you started. Very great touch. And now for the cons for this dash cam. The first con I have to say for this dash cam, even though in general it's a great dash cam, but these are the cons that I wish this dash cam has. So for the first cons, this dash cam does not have Wi-Fi. So why would you need Wi-Fi, right? Well, Wi-Fi is a wireless transmission from the device to your phone, so you can transfer video files from this phone, from this dash cam to your phone, so you can view your videos wirelessly. It's a convenient feature, but this dash cam doesn't have it. Another way to look at it is, well, even though it doesn't have the wireless transfer, but usually these dash cam, the video files are really large. So if you have to transfer, it takes a long time, even wirelessly. So I guess doesn't have wireless feature. You just might have to do the traditional way of transferring, which is the fastest, is to take off the micro SD card and then just put it on a card reader and then just transfer it to your phone. That way it's the quickest, safest way to access the video footage. But if you have to ask me, I wish it does have Wi-Fi, so that's the cons. And then another cons for this dash cam, it doesn't have a interior camera. Some people want it, some people doesn't want it. But I think it will be cool if it has a interior camera, so it can view inside of the cabin. So if just in case someone break into your car, you can actually see, what's the deal inside with the interior camera. So it's just a nitpicking, but if you have a 2-channel recording, might as well put a 3-channel. But if you put a 3-channel recording, it might not look so discreet. So I guess that's why it looks so elegant, because it doesn't have an interior camera. but I just wish it has one. Nitpicking. And another cons for this dash cam, it can record up to 2.5K. The thing is, 2.5K is only limited to the front camera. In the back is full HD. Front is, if you use two camera, the front is 2K and the back is full HD. I wish it can do 4K front, 4K back, but I think maybe it's the limitation of the writing on the micro SD card. So that's why you can't do 4K at the time, you know, because the data bandwidth to write on the card is not fast enough. So that's why it has the limitation, you know. But I mean, as for now, it's very usable, you know, but in the future, I hope it has 4K, but I'm also nitpicking. So, but if you have to ask me, I wish it has 4K all around. So that's a con. And the final cons for this dash cam, it has a built-in lithium-ion battery. You know, I mean, it's cool to have a battery, but it would be nice if it has a capacitor. You know, it doesn't have a built-in capacitor. So for capacitor, you can use this dash cam in many weather conditions, you know. So I wish it has capacitor, but for sure, this dash cam is totally usable, even though it has a, you know, battery built in, but I'm just nitpicking again. And now, the most important question, will I be keeping this dash cam for my personal use? And the answer is yes. I mean, the dash cam itself is really nice, you know, the design is nice, really elegant. It blends into your dash cam. It has a really well around, you know, recording angle. So for sure, I'll be keeping this dash cam for my personal use because I don't really like the fact having a dash cam dangling on the side, you know, which is kind of flashy, you know. So this is really well, you know, thought of. You know, it's a, you know, rear view mirror and dash cam on in one, so it makes the car really streamlined. So you don't have another thing dangling on the side, which is, my opinion, pretty ugly. So for the price that you're paying, the dash cam is really, you know, beautiful and elegant. So for sure, I will be keeping this product for my personal use. If you like the video and would like to support the channel, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. And also, if you like contents like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. And you may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I greatly, very appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so I've done quite a few dashcam videos on my channel, and today I have a pretty special dashcam because dashcam, in my opinion, having a car dashcam today in every car should be standard because every car should have a dashcam, and dashcam comes with all shapes and form. So having a dashcam today in a car should be standard, and dashcam all comes with different size, shapes, and form. If you want a very discreet dashcam that doesn't, you know, dude, crap!